Hello kids, welcome to the online class. Before starting the class, let's do the prayer. All of you join your hands and close your eyes. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrutyorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Okay kids, today we are going to see the topic between and their related problems we are going to see in the maths reader. Okay, in the numeracy readers, what we are going to see today, we are going to see between means, for example, here my hands are there, so in between, so this is the space is called between. Here we have two hands, right? Between is called, this space between them is called between. Okay, let's see what it is between numbers. Okay, let's see now. Kids, in the previous class we have learnt about before and after numbers we have seen. Today we are going to see between numbers. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. Means, for example, if they give, see here, 1, then dash, then 3. So what will come next? 1. What will come? 2. So this is between number. 2 is between 1 and 3. 2 comes between 1 and 3. 2 comes between 1 and 3. Okay, this is between. Same way. 4 dash 6. What will come between 4 and 6? 5. After 4, 5 will come, right? 4, 5, 6. So 5 is between number. 5 comes between 4 and 6. So it is between number. Same way, today we are going to see now. Numbers from 0 to 10 I have written in a horizontal line. We will see the example. For example, see here. We want 0 and 2. Which number comes between 0 and 2? 1 number. What will come? 1 will come between 0 and 2 number. 0 and 2, between 1 will come. Between number is 1. Between 0 and 2, 1 will come. Next. Okay, next example. 3 and 5. Which number will come between 3 and 5? 4 will come between 3 and 5. 4 will come between 3 and 5. 3 and 5, 4 will come. Okay, same way. Now 7 and 9. Here 7 and 9. What number will come? 7 and 9. Between number is 8. 7 and 9 between number is 8. Okay, same way we will see from 11 to 20 also. Okay kids, now I wrote number from 10 to 20. Here we are going to see numbers between numbers from 10 to 20. Okay, let's see. For example, if we have 10 and 12. 10 and 12. What is the between number here? It is 11. Correct. It is 11. Same way. We have 15 and 17. They are asking between number. What is the between number? It is 16. What is the between number? It is 16. Same way, if they tell us, give us 18 and 20. What is the between number 18 and 20? 19 is the between number. What is the? 19 is the between number. 18 and 20, 19 is the between number. Okay, for the same way you have to do till 100 you can do. Okay kids, this is the between number. Let's see what they have given in the reader. Okay kids, in the reader they have given, this is a between topic. Here they have given numbers from 41 to 50. So here they have given 43 comes between 42 and 44. 43 comes between 42 and 44. One more example. 47 comes between 46 and 48. 46 and 48. Okay, same way. They have given, fill in the blanks. Fill in the clouds. This one you have to fill. Okay. What they have done? 75 comes between 74 and 76. Here 75 will come, right? They have written here. Same way. Dash comes between 97 and 98. After 97 what will come? 98. So 98. 97 and 99, 98. Next. Dash comes between 30 and 32. 31. 31 will come between 30 and 32. Then dash comes between 56 and 58. After 56, what number will come? 57. So here write 57 will comes between 56 and 58. Then dash comes between 88 and 90. What will come after 88? 89. So 89 comes between 88 and 90. Okay. This is, they have given the same question but in the word problem. I have given dash, they are asking in a word related sentence formation they are asking. Okay. Next we'll see. Okay. Right, what comes between 71 72? Dash is given. 73 will come. 74 75. Same way. It is 13 14. What will come? 15 16 17. So here 15 will come. Next 46 47 dash 49 50. Here will come 48. So 48. Color the numeral that comes between. Okay, 6 and 8 is given. What the number will come between? 7 will come. So color 7. Next 16 and 18. Which number will come? 17. 17 you have to color. Next 3 and 5. Which number will come? 4. 4 you have to color. Next is 24 and 26. 25 will come. Okay. Same way. 36 and 38. 36. After 36, 37. So color 37. Next 8 dash 10. So 9 will come. So 9 you have to color. Okay kids. This is your homework. Okay. I'll give your worksheet for after, between and before numbers. Okay kids. Bye.